This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Wonderful opportunity to own a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom and live on 2.69 acres under 300k. Great location and lot. Perfect for animals, gardening. Area to add barn, shops, etc. Home is open west/vaults throughout. LG living and family room west/wood stove. Primary west/own bath. Little sweat equity will turn this into a special place. New flooring and paint will transform. Call agent for details on possible rehab financing. Home will finance as conventional as is. Detached garage, above ground pool. Hot tub stays. For more information, review the details below.